Hello viewers, 4DIYers here with another tutorial video for everyone. In this particular video here, I'll be doing a demonstration on how to replace the engine air filter on a Volvo C30. Here I am working with a 2.5 liter turboed engine, and a similar procedure also applies to the S40, V50, and C70 models. This video is sponsored by AutoPartsWays. They have supplied the air filter, and the link to this product will be included in the description below. First, start by gaining access to the engine bay. The air filter replacement is extremely easy for this particular car, and only a Phillips screwdriver is required. The air filter housing is at the front of the engine bay. As a general specification, I typically like to replace the engine air filter at about 30,000 kilometers or 20,000 miles, and it should be inspected during every oil change to see its current condition. Maintenance intervals may vary depending on where you live, so if you are exposed to more foreign contaminants in the air, then maintenance intervals will be less. There will be 2 Phillips screws which need to be removed. Once these have been disconnected, they will still remain in the air filter tray assembly. A plugged or dirty air filter can cause poor performance, poor fuel economy, throttle hesitation, and increased emissions. Pull up the tray, it is clipped into place, then slide out the assembly with the filter. As you can see, here is the filter assembly, and the filter is somewhat dirty. Typically, I like to clean the filter assembly to remove any dirt, so give it a wipe down with a rag. I also like to clean the inside of the duct to remove any debris, as it will stop right at the filter. Give the inside of the duct a good wipe down with a rag. To give you a quick peek of how dirty it can be inside, picking out a cleaner spot on the rag. Once pulled back out, you can see the dirt on the rag. The rag will help loosen up any debris, and then we can follow up with a vacuum cleaner afterwards. It's important to do this to remove any loose debris inside the housing, as it will embed itself in the new filter, reducing its life expectancy and engine performance. Pair up the old and new filters to ensure they are the same, and then install. As mentioned earlier, AutoPartsWays has supplied me with the filter required for this vehicle. The link will be included in the description below, so be sure to check them out. Make sure the filter is pushed properly into the filter tray, otherwise it will be hard to install when going back into the air duct. Push the filter tray back into the duct. It should snap into place and be flush with the rest of the duct. Then install the retaining screws, and you're done. New videos are released every week, so be sure to stay up to date with my video schedule by hitting that subscribe button. Don't forget to leave a comment below letting me know what you think of my tutorial. Thank you for watching.